Hello! In this session, you'll learn about the Emarsys HTML editor for email using the common use case of triggered email creation as a basis for our narrative. The HTML editor allows you to create emails by using your own HTML instead of an Emarsys email template. You can fine-tune all aspects of your email campaign and have full control over the HTML code. Now to our use case. Rose, your customer, wants to make a purchase on your website, but has forgotten her password to log in. This happens even to the best of us. She requests a new password, so you'll need a password reset email sent to her immediately, before she loses interest. Let's see how to create this triggered email using your own HTML source. I navigate to the triggered email page. Here, you can activate, deactivate, edit, copy, view, check reporting, and delete existing triggered emails, as well as create new ones. Let's create a new one. First, choose the email type. It can be a block-based or a custom HTML email. You can reach the same function via channels, email campaigns, create email. I select the custom HTML email option. After creating the email, you reach the email settings page. Here, I set the internal name of the email. Choose the language of the unsubscribe page and select my email category. I don't activate this checkbox because I want to send the email even if it has no attachment. Now, I create the password reset event which will trigger the email sending. Then I save it and go to the content creation page. At the top, you see the campaign name and the Save button. Here, you see the workflow steps you need to go through to finish and activate your campaign, while here on the left, you have several tabs to manage your email. Let's start with email basics. The subject line, from name, and from email address fields are mandatory. For registering dedicated sender domains, you need to contact Emarsys support. You can also add a pre-header to boost your open rates, and it's possible to enable the unsubscribe and online version link insertion. I just fill in the mandatory fields. Then I click Source Code. This is the second tab. Here, you can write or insert, then edit your HTML code. The Toolbox helps you to easily modify your code. You can add personalization fields, conditional text, items from the media database, links, predict recommendations. For a better editing experience, use the Find and Replace, word wrapping, and toggle functions. I drag and drop my HTML code to discover the preview options. There is a live preview to see the real-time changes you make in your source code, an inbox preview to check how your email campaign will be displayed in the most popular email clients such as Gmail and Outlook, a desktop or mobile device preview, a full preview to see the email including from name, subject line, pre-header, and the online version and unsubscribe links, and a Testmail function to send a test email to your inbox. I continue with the email creation. In the live preview, I click on the part I'd like to edit. Then I insert a personalization field instead of the first name text. I add a logo from the media database and make the Contact Us email address a link. To improve your deliverability, you should always include the text version. It's really easy with the HTML editor. Just click on the plain text version icon, then generate text. If you generate the text version, don't forget to regenerate it every time that you update the HTML. Let's move to the Fallback Text tab to define alternative content if the personalization fields have no value. In our case, if the first name field is empty, I want to show friend instead. On the link overview, all links of the email are listed and checked separately for the HTML and text versions. You can edit and open them. Set links trackable with names and categories on the Link Tracking tab. I give a unique name and add a category to the Reset Password button because it helps to segment and filter the responses in the email analytics. If your email is not event-based or used in an automation program, you can create different versions for A/B testing on the Versions tab. I'm done with the content. so I send a test mail to my test segment. Finally, on the scheduling page, I activate the mail stream and my password reset triggered email is ready to go. We hope that you enjoyed this session. Thank you for your attention.